Hello, in this video we're going to have a quick look at circle definitions and defining all the different labels that you may come across when dealing with circles. So if we start by just drawing a basic circle. You may come across the term circumference. Now the circumference is just a fancy word for the perimeter around the outside edge of the circle. So if I draw on the line that notes the circumference is just the length of that line that goes all the way around the outside edge of a circle. Just there. And you may see the circumference shortened down to the letter C. Okay. Now we have a couple of other different labels. If you see a line or a measurement going through the centre of the circle from one side to the other, the length of this line is called the diameter. So we've got the diameter here, and that may be seen to be labelled up shortly as the letter D. Okay, so this line here is the diameter. It's the length from one side of a circle to the other going straight through the centre. And last but not least, as far as measurements that you may come across go, if we start in the centre and take a measurement to the outer edge of the circle, this is known as the radius. And you may see that shortened to the letter R, which is there. So the radius of a circle is the measure from the centre of the circle to the outside edge of a circle. It may be worth making one more point here, which is, as you can see, the diameter is the length from one edge to the centre and straight through to the other edge, which means that by definition the diameter is always 2 times bigger than the radius. Okay? So if you've got the radius and let's say that's 1 metre, your diameter will always be 2 metres, and vice versa. If your diameter was 4 metres, your radius would be half of that, which would be 2 metres. And that's labelling up a circle. That's pretty much all you need to know about labelling up a circle. You will sometimes come across the Greek letter pi, which is used in some circle formulae, but that's just a constant, that's just a number, which is roughly 3.14. And if you watch the video on circumference or area, you'll see this used. So the video of the circumference will define what pi is, and you'll be able to use it in formulas such as area and circumference of a circle.